I'm a block from getting my whip. This is something we've been working on, me and High Octane Restorations, and man, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do about coming around here, around the corner here to see this car. So y'all actually gonna see my real reaction here when I turn around and see this car. And I've been chasing this for 20 years, man. To actually be here is something else. So we are 1/10 of a mile. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Maybe I'll just let y'all see my face, and then I'll flip it around. Oh my goodness, I see it. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Wow, y'all about to see this in a minute. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't even begin to describe the feeling I have right now seeing this thing in person. She is all that. She's definitely everything I was expecting and more. Yeah, she ready to rock and roll. Just needs a little cosmetic work, but she is all good. Furious is going home. She's looking good, boy. So once again, I just want to say thank you, Will. This collaboration with High Octane Restorations and Extinct Legends. I've been chasing this dream for 20 years, and you made it happen. Thank you so much. We're not done with it yet, but I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. This has been a great experience. You looking for something Mopar, this is the man right here. High Octane Restorations, Extinct Legends. Just want to say thank you, sir, again. And he gets the hugs on camera. This is my brother right here. Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.